my loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case this is your first time here, my name is Taz Shoko and you're so very much welcome. So please hit that subscribe button if you have not, and if you have, thank you so much. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll always be notified. So on today's video, I have an interesting one, like a really interesting one. So Juicy, my mom called me and asked me, Anjiko, do you want something? Kamuliza, what? Where do you want something? I told her, yes, mom, I want. So she came and gave it to me. So it was ndomas, and she knows how much I love ndomas, and I was really excited. Like, I love ndomas for real. So I decided this one, I must show you how I cook my ndomas and make them very delicious. I don't use a lot of ingredients. Actually, I use very few ingredients. And by the time I'm recording this video, it's actually the following day. So I cooked the ndomas yesterday at night, but I couldn't be able to actually film the intro. So I decided today in the morning, I'm actually going to film the intro for you, and here it is. So let me show you how I cooked my ndomas, and let me tell you, it was so yummy, like so yummy, and it's so easy to actually prepare them. Let me be honest with you, Mimi, I don't know how to cook. Like, there's so many things that I don't know how to cook. I'm not a good chef, but with this one najiaminia, because they are so yummy, and whenever I cook ndomas, they turn out to be so yummy. So let me show you how I did it. So before we go any further, ensure that you've liked this video and also subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up, and also tell me something on the comment section, and also watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, guys, let's head to the kitchen. So here we go. We have our arrowroot and sweet potatoes, which are our main ingredients of the day. So we have them here unpeeled, so I have to peel them immediately. So I did that. And here we have our onions and tomatoes, and also our peeled sweet potatoes and arrowroots. And we have our warm oil here, and I dip in our onions and stir and allow them to cook until they are golden brown. And as that is happening, I'm preparing our rice here. We'll be cooking our rice at the same time. So we have our onions golden brown, so we add in our tomatoes and stir and allow them to cook. And we have it ready. So I'm now going to add in some salt, and this is the amount, the quantity that I'm going to add in. Yes, and then stir. And then add a little bit more of salt, and then stir again. And our tomatoes are ready. So I'm now going to add in our main ingredients, which are the ndomas and the warus. So I'm just adding in the arrowroots and the sweet potatoes. So I'm just going to add in everything, and I love my ndomas cut in large portions, and I'll tell you the reason why very soon, before the end of the video. And here we go, we have them here. So we're going to stir and then add in our water. And yes, I love myself some good amount of soup. Yes. So I'm going to leave it here to cook until I'm satisfied with how it's looking, because I love my ndumas well cooked, like you can actually see. So I ended up adding a little bit of ndania, and here is our rice. It has already cooked, and wow, it looks nice. And here we go, we have our ndumas and warus which are ready. So as I told you, I ended up adding some coriander, and wow, look at that. It looks so yummy. And yes, it's so yummy. It's so yummy. Look at that. So I love my ndumas cooked kabisa like this. You see, like it's really cooked. Yeah, I don't love them half cooked, or like they're not. I love them cooked kabisa hadi zinabondeka. You see how they're looking right now. I love them that way, like cooked kabisa, like totally cooked. And this is how it's looking like. Let me tell you, this food is yummy. Wow, it's so yummy, and it's so easy to prepare. Even if you don't know how to cook, like this is so easy to prepare. Look at that. So I'm ready. I'm ready to eat my food. And this is how it looks. Wow, so yummy. So yeah, that's the simplest way that I actually cook my food, my ndumas, and it's very easy. And as you can see, like we don't use a lot of ingredients, so it's ingredients that you can actually see or find just at the kibanda just next to you. Like, yeah, it's so easy and very yummy. So thank you so much for watching, and we have our empty plate. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.